Oh, the hills are alive with the sound of owls and hawks and some other animals. Yes, welcome back to the channel, and it's episode 8 of the Owl Diary. Hi, in this week's Owl Diary, I'm going to show you, or rather let you hear, some of the noises that the birds make. There's one of them now next door. This one is Bailey. He is a barn owl, and he makes a screeching sound, which sounds like this. Maybe you'll do one for us live, will you? No. Large species of owls, like Henrietta the eagle owl behind me here, make a wide variety of noise, including little grunts and squeaks, and they also make beautiful hooting noises, just like this. And Gizmo, our Indian Scops owl, our smallest bird, weighing just about 4.5 ounces, who the public often describe as looking cute, of which our volunteer Alan believes he owns a pound every time he hears the word cute. If you listen very closely, you can hear that very quiet noise he makes when we hold him. Pebble the burrowing owl. 4 years old, great character, as these burrowing owls tend to have, and he makes loads of different sounds, probably the most vocal out of all my birds, from hooting noises to little screeching sounds, and even the little sort of small dog yapping sound, which sounds like this. And falcons make that kind of high-pitched noise. So birds make lots of different noises. And in fact, if you listen, you might be able to pick up the sound of the garden birds and the blackbirds as they're getting on with their daily jobs, communicating to each other. And that's all they're doing. And the reason they can be noisy with us is because they're well hand-reared and well-manned birds of prey that essentially think they're people. So they're just talking to us, maybe asking for food, maybe just saying hello. So there you have it. Different sounds from different birds. That delightful feeling when you notice that one of your spiders has shed its exoskeleton. There is the exoskeleton, and then the actual spider is sort of just under the foam backing there. So we pull that one out. There's the skin. And what we should have is a nice, fresh-looking tarantula, who's currently hiding at the back under the foam. It's been scientifically proven that reconnecting with nature, getting outside, gaining fresh air is a fantastic stress-relieving activity. And it can also really help people who suffer from mental health problems like anxiety or depression or something else. We've got Emily behind me here, one of our wonderful volunteers who's been volunteering for over 4 years now, flying Roland, one of our Harris Hawks. And she is, just like most of our volunteers, doing this because she really loves working with the birds. But it also benefits her mental health. It's a wonderful thing to come out here into the woods or into an open field, even at a flying show with an audience, and do the flying, have those birds soaring in the sky, flying back to the hand. And that's why flying birds of prey is just one of the most wonderful and unique activities anyone can do. So, hope you've enjoyed this week's Owl Diary. Please hit subscribe and like and share, and we'll see you next week for next week's Owl Diary. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.